everybody. Welcome to
Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Shameless plug, no, we are not getting paid or sponsored by Yeti. But it's just a hint into what we're going to be drawing today. What are we going to be drawing today?
A Yeti holding a Yeti cup.
A Yeti holding his Yeti, because we love Yetis. All right, everybody, we're doing a Yeti holding his Yeti, and we're going to start with a marker. We like to use light blue because a Yeti has a lot of what?
Blue.
Fur.
Blue.
It's kind of white fur, but blue kind of helps it stand out. So let's start out doing the eyes, okay?
Okay.
We're going to start at this top section of the paper. So I'm going to do let's do kind of a fun shaped eye. Let's do a sideways raindrop. We're being creative here. Let's do another one. Sideways raindrop. Good job. All right. I like my Yeti to be cross-eyed, so I'm going to do another circle. Big circle. Kind of pointing to his nose on both eyes. Okay. Another circle. This is our highlight, as we like to have, right? I'm going to do, should we do black? Should we color in?
Yeah.
Okay. Color in that eye with black. The pupil. How's that looking?
Good.
Good. And also, let's give the Yeti some nostrils, okay? Use your black. Right between the eyes, we're gonna do a couple of nostrils here. There we go. You can keep the black right here.
Okay.
There you go. So let's now do with the mouth. We'll do kind of a silly mouth. And we'll draw kind of a squiggly smile. Crooked smile is always fun on our Yeti, right? And let's do some teeth. Let's do a little triangle, kind of tooth right there. And another triangle tooth. And let's do a curve under his mouth to make it look like he has a big bottom lip. It could be a her, who knows? Okay, so we're gonna start to draw the fur around the face.
Okay.
And here we go. I'm gonna kind of outline the face with some squiggly marks. Pointy chin. And there's no perfect way to do this. We're just drawing some fur around that cute Yeti's face. Good job. That looks great.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And then let's draw some fur, kind of some spiky hair on top. It kind of surrounds our Yeti's face here. Does your Yeti have horns? What do you think?
Yeah.
What color should we do the horns? Dark blue or? I'm gonna do mine dark blue. Do you want dark blue?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a horn on the side. It's gonna point up and one that points down. So let's kind of draw a curve and draw a curve down. Yeah. So on this one, we're going to start at this point and bring it down to meet the head. Start at this point and bring it up to meet the head. Now let's draw some lines. I'd like to do kind of circular lines. 1, 2, 3. It kind of shows the roundness of the horns, right?
Yeah.
Good job. That looks great. Okay. Now, I'm thinking my Yeti might be a little too big. What do you think?
Maybe.
We'll have to see how this turns out. I have to start over. Let's draw some shoulders. Draw some shoulders. That was cute. Draw some fur for the... We're gonna give our Yeti a big round belly. Kind of round that out. I'm gonna bring it down into some legs. Good job. This is the bottom of the leg with the fur, and the foot's gonna come out here. And I'm gonna do a dark, should we do dark blue for the foot and hands? What do you think?
Yeah.
Why not? Okay, we're gonna draw a big, huge toe that comes out on this side. So the foot comes out and gives a big toe. We're using the whole page. We like to use all the paper, right?
Yeah.
Give that Yeti a toenail. And back here is another toe. And maybe there's another one back there. It kind of shows that it's going back in space, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so grab your light marker again. Let's do this other leg right here. Kind of copy what's going on here. Draw some fur. And let's draw that other foot. Maybe we'll make it coming out so the toes. There's my heel. And there's my big toe. What do you think?
It looks good.
Looks good. Let's give it a toenail. Maybe put a little toe back there. Another little toe back there with some toenails. How's that look?
It looks awesome.
Awesome. Looking cute. Oh, good job. Yeah, that looks really good. You can see the toes kind of go back in the distance there, huh? Now let's go over to this arm over here. And it's just going to be kind of hanging by the Yeti's side. He's just having a good time. She, maybe. There's some fur. And I'm going to get my skin color, my dark blue. And the hand is just going to kind of go back like this. Big finger, big chubby finger, another finger. It's kind of holding it back, you know, behind his body like that. Now, let's see if we can draw our other arm holding a Yeti cup, you know, with his hot chocolate or his whatever drink you like to drink. This Yeti guy, huh? Okay. So let's bring some fur down. Good. And we're gonna do his finger, kind of holding that area. Do a big thumbnail. And let's do another finger back here. Another one maybe. Now what's gonna fit in that? It's gonna be a little squatty Yeti cup, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So let's see, I'm gonna do gray, because I think the top of the Yeti cup needs to be gray, just because it looks like silver, right? The silver area. on the Yeti. So we're gonna do kind of a oval shape here, okay?
Okay.
Oval, oval. And line down and do another. Now I'm gonna do a little circle in here to make it look like the inside of that cup. What color should your Yeti be? Your Yeti cup. Orange, red. You want to do red here? I'll do red too. Okay, so we don't have a lot of space right here, but that's okay. We're going to go down. Okay, and we're going to write the word Yeti because that's what type of cup we enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Y. E. T. I. Big square around it. I'm gonna color mine in. You know, we're here. Let's just color that puppy in. What do you think? Who doesn't love a bright red Yeti cup to drink? Is there hot chocolate in, huh?
Yeah.